Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tennessee Tim. I'm out here in my mom's apiary. You can see the ladies are bringing in some different colored pollens. Dirty dishwater color. Red maple's blooming. Purple dead nettle, henbit blooming. Bird's eyes blooming. But what's really cool is this. See this big maple tree right here? I'm gonna show you this. The buttercups are starting to pop, getting close. Why don't you look at this? This maple tree's got sap running out of it. All up the side of this tree, there's bees working this sap coming out of this tree. There's some over here.